Morning. Welcome everyone to Nifty pre-open analysis for 20th Jan 2023. We will actually discover what Nifty is doing in today's session and what happened in yesterday's session. In yesterday's session, I had already given you information that the market may get down. The Nifty futures may get down from the highs. Previously, it was an all-time. The market actually went from the positive to positive, touching the Bollinger Band, smooching the Bollinger Band continuously. And yesterday I had told you that the Bollinger Band has reduced its size. It is kind of capped, and now the market will actually fall from here. It has to touch the lower levels of Bollinger Band. So did it happen? It opened negative yesterday first of all, and afterwards it fell, and afterwards it stabilized, but it did not touch the upper band, and it continuously kept on going sideways. This is the 5 minutes chart of Nifty futures, and this actually shows if the market is either moving upwards or it is moving downwards or it is moving sideways. Look at the market yesterday. It was continuously sideways. It did not have a big range at all. It actually had a very small range, and it actually stuck to that particular range, and that particular range is where the market actually stood in yesterday's session. Today we have touched the lower levels, and S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, all those US markets have actually done nothing. They have actually given negative returns yesterday, 0.76%, 1%, 0.76. All those US markets have actually went downer in yesterday's session. Today it seems like we will probably open a bit gap up because SGX Nifty is showing that we will be opening a bit positive. It is 13 points higher for SGX Nifty. Now it is 18 points higher, and it seems like the SGX Nifty will push the positivity back in Indian markets rather than yesterday. And today let us see where the supports and resistances for Nifty will stand. So the Nifty support and resistances for 20th Jan 2023 stands at so many levels. The supports, first of all, stands at the level of 18,068 levels, which is a common support which has been tested again and again, and 18,075, which is the 20-day EMI. There lies one more support, 18,075, 18,068, and 17,959 levels, and 17,900 levels to 17,899 levels, and 17,816 levels. Those are the levels of support for Nifty as of now. Where are the resistances for Nifty? 18,107 levels, 18,160 levels, 18,258 levels, and 18,345. If it can scale, 18,345, 18,417 to 428 is possible in Nifty. Those are the levels of support and resistances for 20th Jan 2023. And if the market has to go upwards, it has to cross the Bollinger Band, the median of Bollinger Band, which is at 18,184 level. It has to cross that in order to scale more upwards. So 18,184 lies a very big resistance, and above that we'll see 18,258 scaling in Nifty as of now. So that being said, those are the levels of supports and resistances. Let's look a bit technically in Nifty futures. So the Nifty futures actually had a slow and steady move yesterday. There was complete negativity in the beginning. Afterwards it scaled a bit. However, it did not touch the higher range of Bollinger Band. So that's the reason it started moving sideways, and it reduced its level of range. So what happens in today's session? Let's take a bit of a 20-21 day EMA, and let's see where the market actually goes from here onwards. So the 5-minute Nifty futures actually is showing that there is a negativity, there is a cross, which means that there is negativity as well. There is sideways market in yesterday's session. However, there is a cross on the downer side, which shows that there is negativity in the market, and the MACD is not supporting as well. MACD is showing that the momentum is currently dead, and the histogram also determines that the momentum is currently on the downer side. So less the momentum, lesser the market increases, so it will fall when the momentum is not there for the buyers or the bulls. When the momentum is there, when the MACD gives a crossover on the higher side, see, the market actually moves on the upper side. So the histogram actually shows that as well. So as of now, there is a faint MACD, which means that there is less of a momentum in the market for it to go on the northern territory. So as of now, we are currently either seeing a sideways market, or probably a bit of positivity in the market or a bit of negativity in the market, or just because there is less of a momentum in the market. For the momentum, for the market to see the momentum, it has to actually fall to the lower support level, then slingshot all the way upwards. That's how the market is getting momentum usually, right? So that being said, this is the Nifty technical analysis for you, and I will teach you 3 strategies which makes you money on a regular basis, on a daily basis, and that is with this and futures and options course. And you can see the futures and options course intro in this particular video, and I will show you how to make money with the futures and options course.